Right, well, we're moving on with the car, getting some more bits done. So today I'm going to basically be sealing up where the door is, going to be sealing up where the hole is. I'll show you in a second. So yeah, basically want to get that done, seam seal some of the door, get all that finished off so I can start thinking about painting some of the bits in the interior, trying to get some of the interior finished. And yeah, so we're going to move on to the seal. I've got the seals as well to do still, still got to finish that off. So yeah, it's getting there slowly and surely, but yeah, all takes time, especially trying to juggle life and everything else. Basically the car, I'm going to be doing some work on it today. Still got the seals to do, so got a fair bit more to do. I haven't even touched that one yet, but the other side I have started. Still needs a fair bit more work yet to finish it off and tidy it up, but just to get through progress, I'm going to basically take the seat out today. And as you can see on that side there, I've sealed up between the door and the pillar, so I'm basically going to be filling that gap today. Got a piece of metal to put in its place to try and stop me from getting pelted with stones and debris from when I'm racing. And you can see it's a nice big hole there from when yeah, so anything that's going to get picked up by any stones I'm going to get in the face. We'll have a helmet on obviously, but yeah. So I'm going to get that plugged up today, get the seat out, and then move on from there. Where I've got the bar here, I need to tidy up some of this. I'm basically just going to weld a piece of metal to there, to this piece here. Two holes in that I can mount that fuse box, try and get it right over in the corner, just so it's easily accessible. If I need to check any fuses or anything like that, I can easily get to it. If it's not in its original location up here, tucked away, can't see anything up here, easy peasy, can see what I need to find. Something breaks, I can just get it done, get back into action quick without messing around. So yeah, I'm just going to basically make a little metal plate on here, two holes in it, weld some nuts on the back of it so I can unbolt it easily without messing around, and that's it, get that in place. Handy having a box. Any bolt, anything I take apart goes in my box. My box of rubbish. It's very handy when you need to find nuts and bolts. So it's always good to have a box of bolts. Just be careful with the screws though. Plates welded in place. Just going to basically, don't need indicators, so I'm basically just going to put a plate behind that, tack weld it all in place, and blob of flip over that, blob of flip over all the holes, front door. The next bit of the front. Right, so that's all welded up. Done. Splash a weld through primer.